Hello guys, this is Dr. Bass from the Endless From, and today I'm working on the GP spot welder. I'm working on my hand version, so here you can see the capacitor I'm using. So these capacitors are coming from laser hair remover. These are diode based hair remover. So normally there was 10 of these capacitors inside, for a total of 470,000 microfarad, or half a farad capacity. So I'm using these, a lot of them in parallel. As you can see, this is the way I assemble these. I prefer using a copper sheet instead of wiring to parallel these to reduce inductance. I think it will help for the current peak rise. Not sure, but I will try. So the way I choose is using this 20 mil thick copper sheet. I made some for the positive and the negative, and as you can see, there's one of the pin here that is closed to be soldered, and the other is free. I have a hole, so this one will connect to the top conductor, so it will result like this. And I will use separator, so I have Teflon here. So this is a sheet of Teflon that I will install on the top of the caps. Then I install this sheet, and then another sheet of Teflon on the top of this one to insulate, and then another cover sheet which will be the positive on the top. This will result in a great bank of capacitor that look like this one. So this is the case that I will be using for the spot welder. I can put 3 bank of capacitor like that. So one here, and one here, and I will have bus bars that will connect the positive and the negative for all these. So this one is made of, I will show you. So this is 22 capacitors for a total of about 1 farad. And the total joule when they are charged at 35 volt, if I have the 3 banks, it will be about 2 kilojoule, just a little bit less, maybe 1.9, 1.8 kilojoule. And the resistance, the equivalent series resistance of these, just one bank like that, I measured with my Hioki here, which is a really accurate professional tool for measuring that, and I get about 0.4 milliohm resistance just with this bank. So with all the 3 connected together, I should get about I will say 130 micro ohm, which is pretty low. So I will guess I will get a lot of great current, peak current. So as you can see, I have the sheet here that insulate these. I tested those yesterday, connected at 35 volt. I ran this treadmill motor, and well, it's I got it running for about 20 seconds, so there's still less than 1 watt hour energy. In fact, in one of these bank I got 0.2 watt hour of energy. But just remember, these are capacitor, these are not super capacitor or battery. But the current capacity is really high. So I will have 3 of them stack, tuck, and then I will use the GP spot welder. This is my own version, so I have used thick copper to connect all these in parallel and have better heat conductivity. So this one will be connected on the top on the 2 rails, and I will have the probe here. I will be using this ultra flexible, I will show you, everything is falling apart. So this is really very flexible. You see, this is 4 gauge wire. You see all the strands here. I'll try to show you with the better light. Maybe a little bit difficult, but it's very easy. These were coming from big powerful argon laser power supply. This is what connected between the laser and the power source. So I hope you appreciate it, guys, and I will keep you informed on all development of this nice GP spot welder, Dr. Bay's version. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.